Hello and welcome to our look at the SweeEase full motion mount for 65-inch TVs. This sturdy bracket supports 110 pounds and works with many different VESA sizes. You can tilt, swivel, and level your screen to get the best view from any seat. The 6 articulating arms extend 14 inches or retract to save space in your home. Made from heavy-duty alloy steel, this mount keeps your television safe and perfectly in place. The simple 3-step installation process includes a helpful template and a built-in bubble level. Your purchase is backed by a 12-year warranty for total confidence and long-term reliability. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.